effect until 3 a.m. Central Standard Time Friday. What? Significant coastal flooding. Where? Gulf-facing beaches, including the Matagorda Peninsula, Brazoria County beaches, Galveston Island, and the Bolivar Peninsula. When? Until 3 a.m. Central Standard Time Friday. Impacts. Numerous roads may be closed. Low-lying property including homes, businesses, and some critical infrastructure will be inundated. Some shoreline erosion will occur. Additional details. Portions of Highway 87 along the Bolivar Peninsula is already seeing water pooling up along the barriers from the increasing water levels. High tide will be around 1 a.m. Central Standard Time on early Friday morning. Take the necessary actions to protect flood-prone property. If travel is required, do not drive around barricades or through water of unknown depth.